to request you, Your Excellency, that you request your daughter Amongi to leave Dr. Aceng in Lira City. Because the same facilities that she gets as a minister are the same facilities that are used to fight your people in your NRM. This is the time for us to know who is who. Your Excellency, when we created Lira City,
President Lira City,
you wanted Lira City to be under the leadership of NRM, where you can have full control. And in that full control, Your Excellency, you are the appointing authority of this country. You have the powers to appoint anybody and disappoint. In the interest of promoting the party NRM, and in the interest of making sure that we are in charge of Lira City, we want to request you, Your Excellency, that you request your daughter Amongi to leave Dr. Aceng in Lira City. Because when you appointed her as a minister, the same facilities that she gets as a minister under your government, the same facilities that are used to fight your people in your NRM government. Your Excellency, as a party, we are not going to allow this. We love our party NRM. And if we give you a responsibility, you should not use it to come and fight us in NRM. And Your Excellency, I am speaking as the second national vice chairperson. I know I am your vice, but I must do work for you to get a good party. We cannot continue hobnobbing with the people who do not believe in us. And I want to thank the UPCs who love us genuinely. And Your Excellency, I want to thank you for believing in the politics of ideology, not identity.
President,
Your Excellency, that patience of yours, maybe enough is enough.
President,
we cannot allow people to step on a plate that has fed you. During the time you pretend with us, and you're using the same money that we are giving to bribe our people against our party. Your Excellency, we love you for being a patient person. We love you for being accommodative. We wish you well. And may the good Lord bless you. As we conclude this election, this is the time for us to know who is who.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.